To upgrade your iOS from 15.5 to 16.0 beta 3, because of course the iOS 16 right now is in beta testing, please note that beta software sometimes contain bugs and other unpleasant experiences, which will be worked out along the line as the software becomes more and more mature and stable. Now let's jump right in. So to be able to download and install iOS 16.0 beta 3, you visit developer.apple.com, that is the Apple's developer website. You will need to log in with your iCloud account, of course. As an iOS user, you are expected to already have an iCloud account. So you visit that website using either your iPad, your iPhone, or your Mac. Once you have visited this website and log in with your iCloud account, it basically means you are now an Apple developer. Now the next website you are going to visit is betaprofiles.com. Using your iPhone, of course, we are talking about upgrading your iPhone, so you use your iPhone to visit the website betaprofiles.com. Once you have visited betaprofiles.com and then select the iOS version that you want, in this case we are talking about iOS 16 beta 3. So you click on iOS 16 beta 3. It's going to enable you to download and install the developer profile on your device. Now once you get to that website, you click on install profile. After you have downloaded and installed the profile on your device, you go to settings. You are going to see a message on your settings page, profile downloaded. You click on profile downloaded to install the new profile on your device. Now once you have installed the new profile on your device, that is what will allow you to gain access to download and install your iOS 16.0 beta 3. Now to carry out the actual installation or the actual upgrading of your iOS from 15.5 to 16.0, you go to settings, click on general, go to software update. Now that you have a new profile installed, it becomes very easy for you to go to software update and you will see the iOS 16 beta 3 there. You now click on the top right corner to install. Once that is done, you can now tap on download and install. That is going to download and install the iOS 16 developer beta on your device. Now if for whatever reason you want to remove that profile, you can. You go to settings, tap on general, scroll down to VPN and device management. Once you click on VPN and device management, you will see the list of profiles that have been installed on your device. In this case, you click on the iOS 16 beta 3 profile that you just installed and then click remove profile. Once you click on remove profile, the profile will remove from your device. If this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.